guys? It's Bass Boys here. Today's Easter. We're doing some fishing today. Haven't been out here in a while. The weather hasn't been that great. It's been cold and rainy. But today's pretty nice. It's like a 60-degree day. Haven't posted a video in about almost 2 weeks now. So hopefully today's the day we catch a fish. Over here at the cheese pond. It's been a frequent place we've been to this year so far, but it's been pretty good already. I got my panfish series here. It's a St. Croix 6-foot ultralight. Nice short rod, 4-pound test. My Shimano Sedona there, it's a 1000. And then there's the 132-ounce jig head with the Bobby Garland on it, the minnow. Did bring my walleye rod here too. Hopefully we can find some of those today. But let's get our first cast here with the ultralight. Oh, look at that. There's actually a crappie sitting right here. If you can believe it. I want to see if he goes after my bait. That'd be something. What he's doing. Oh, it's on a stringer. That's what it is. What the hell is that? Here comes the Fox Trekker. He's joining us today, fishing. You see this right here? Look at this. There's a stringer here.
What?
Someone has a stringer with a crappie attached to it. There's nobody here. I want to free it. Yeah, you could get it. See the wire? All you gotta do is take it out of his mouth and put him back.
No one in this whole corner?
No. And the people all over. Yeah, just...
And it's fucking coming out.
We gotta do the crappie rescue.
It's good content.
Rescuing the crappie. Here we go with the crappie rescue.
Crappie rescue.
Alright.
Completed.
Put them back to grow bigger.
Can't fucking do that shit. I'm taking the cable too.
So far we rescued a crappie, so that's a good start.
Yeah, I saw the Rangers on bikes.
Yeah.
But they probably got like the morning shit already.
Yeah.
Morning shit.
What's this?
Scar stick. Stick broke off.
Alright, spot number 3 already. So far, just that one rescued crappie. No fish though yet. Actually caught. Alright, Ryan said we got to get to him right now. Yeah. Said there's a crappie pool going on. Is that a white crappie? Yeah, that's a black crappie. No, this is my original crappie spot last year. Giant birds out there. Good sized crappie there. That's no crappie. Or is it? I'm gonna have to get my bigger rod out so I can cast farther. Another good one. Missed that one. Just gonna go with the classic paddle tail looking Bobby Garland here. I got a 1/16 ounce jig head on this rod. It's a little bit heavier than the other one. Do that so that it, it casts a little farther. This rod is a light action. It's the St. Croix Legend Tournament Finesse Series Walleye. 7 foot, I think I said. And then I got my Stratic on here. Shimano Stratic, 6-pound fluorocarbon. Ryan over here was catching a bunch of crappies. I had a bite, but I didn't get them. If you want to look at this jig I'm using, it's similar to the one I'm using on the ultralight. It's just bigger. Go. It's a bass. For a bass, but that's what we got. The first one for me. Just a small largemouth. Hit it hard. What the heck? See if he's betting my hook. No, it doesn't. At least we got the skunk out though. Let's see if I can find what I'm looking for in this pile of this big pile here. Hologram ghost. The baby shad. Let's give that a try. This one. Hologram ghost. This is the walleye spot. That's what we call it. Today so far hasn't been too great for me. Ryan, he's got at least 6 crappies. And he got that one bass. It's like a small bass. See if anything can happen out here. It's a slab hunter. This will get him. I've already been out here for about, I think, 2 hours of fishing so far. It's slow, but for me, no bites. It's that bass. Still seems skunk-like out here. Oh, there we go. Ah, are you kidding me? Just felt something hit it right in front of me. gotta be freaking kidding me. There it is again. There we go. Got him. Oh, bass. Oh my god. Is that a crappie? Holy smokes. It's like a bass crappie. There's what we're looking for. Bit the slab hunter. It's a good one there. Yeah, it's a little heavier than the bobby garland. It's like 2 1/4. I thought that was a bass. Okay, we got a new color on here. It's like a clear greenish. Same bait. Gonna head back to the mud hole. You guys gonna stay here? Okay, well we are back. We're back in the mud hole spot. It's a mud hole over here. Got that nice crappie and then largemouth bass. So we got 2 today. Let's see if we can get some more. Back in this windy spot. Maybe I'll try over here first before we try the mud hole. Oh, there we go. See what we got here. Looks like another largemouth blue looking bass. One of them blue ones. How's it going?
Game worn. How's the fishing?
It's pretty good.
All right, guys. Good luck to you. Have fun.
Yep.
Take it easy.
I'm gonna try one more cast. One more cast to make sure there's nothing left here. Oh. Well, you guys left. Got another one. Another one of those weird looking bass. Popped right out. I don't know what it is with these bass. Some of these largemouths, probably because they're in like the mud or something. Got him. Hey, that may even be a bluegill. How crazy it's going. What is that? It's a muddy crappie. I don't know, it's not. It's a bass. When he was on the side, he looked like a crappie. Feisty bass. It's the first one on the ultralight today. That's a surprise. Usually getting them all on the ultralight. Yeah, those ducks. Those are the ducks that don't, they just follow you. Alright, now we're in a second swamp hole spot. I wanted to try here earlier, but somebody was here. Whoa, there we go. That's a better fish. Could be a better fish. No, that's not too bad. It's just this ultralight making it feel big. Just another largemouth bass. Another largemouth bass there, the Bobby Garland. I don't know what fish that is today. Maybe 5 or 6. I think I have another one messing with it. Kind of feels like it. I decided to come back to this swamp spot. Been kind of walking around all over this place today, trying the same spots multiple times. I can give this spot another shot because I've got a couple bass here pretty quickly. Been out here pretty long now. Probably an hour, more than 3 hours now. Alright guys, well, we caught some good fish today. Caught a bunch of crappies. Well, I didn't, Brian did. And caught a bunch of largemouth, small ones, and that nice crappie on this Easter Sunday here fishing. But if that's all we catch, this will be the end. I'm gonna keep fishing here for maybe another hour. And hit the like button on the video. See you guys in the next one. Just gonna say we're gonna have some bonus footage, but looks like we're not.
I saw white, so I don't know.
Might have. I think it was a
bass.
Yeah. I was getting ready for some bonus footage. Yeah, doesn't look like any bonus fish is gonna be happening here.
Something about the white.
The bite's over. Bass.